Elevation is upper trap. So upper traps and elevated scapula, consider synergies. Antagonist of elevated scapula can be lower traps because lower traps does depression. Okay, and this is the muscle number 3. We're going to move to the big broad muscle that comes from the lower back. Let's start from the thoracolumbar aponeurosis, lower 6 ribs, go all the way up to the inferior angle of the scapula. So it's from here, around in this direction, till here. This is the origin of the lats. Lats around in this direction, goes narrow up here, goes underneath the arm, and goes to the anterior part here. So most likely, if I can turn my client on the side so you can see it, stay on the side here. So from here goes up, goes underneath, and stops here in anterior part. Okay, so now this is a muscle fiber direction. Run posteriorly, laterally, and just insert anteriorly. This is a muscle fiber direction. If I want to cross fiber, this is the cross fibers of the lats. Now, what about if I need to stretch the lats? I tell the client face down again. Good. So the lats does extension. So I'm going to do flexion. The lats does internal rotation. So I'm going to do external rotation. If the lats does adduction, I'm going to do abduction. So here I'm stretching the lats. So I can hold it with one hand here, and the other hand thoracolumbar aponeurosis. That's going to be the best way to stretch the lats.
Wow.
Okay? So stripping this direction, cross fiber this direction. The action is extension, internal rotation, adduction of the humerus. So the stretching is going to be flexion, external rotation, and abduction, the opposite. Okay? Another muscle underneath the big broad muscle, which is the lats, it's a tiny little muscle that starts from